Why is this guy not coming now? Eh? Can't be keeping me here all day now. But let me even call him.
Make this person not disturb me. Maybe this one. Hey, baby, see who they call. Hello?
Hello, babe.
Yeah, how are you?
What's up now? Where are you?
Oh, sorry.
I've been waiting for you.
I'm already on my way.
Okay, be coming. I'm
Just
waiting.
relax, just calm down. I'm there.
All right,
Take your time. Yes, relax.
I'm here. Said he's coming. Eh?
It's good.
Let me wait for him. Coming for me.
Baby, how are you? Wow. Come on, baby. You look so beautiful.
Wow!
Wow, what is for me? Come on, let's go. You can come on, let's go. Come on, you can for me now. I don't understand. I should open the door for you.
Yes, as a gentleman, that you open the door.
We are tired. Kimoto na la moto na kpada. We are tired. What are you saying?
No, I don't understand the language now. Just open the door. Be a gentleman now.
What are you saying? Enter the car. Let's go.
Any guy that takes me out of the friendship, you have to not be different now.
I don't understand. Any
Yes.
guy that want to take you out on the first date must open the door. Everywhere Tana. If a man I care for now where I'm not on. Does that mean if I don't open the door for you? Are you serious?
Thank you.
Let me tell you something. If I get in there, make sure you open this door. Let's go and have some fun. Come on, baby. What I mean,
Some of my friends used to tell me that their guys will be different. So mine is not going to be different because other guys have been opening it. So yours will not be different, baby. Come and open it for me to enter.
are you serious? If I like motor now, make sure you're careful now. Man, I fear it. Or him. Make I like motor now, not far. It's time I went and I waste of time. When it's I'm telling you now, enter this car, let's go and have some fun. Don't you get it? Anyway, let's say you want to spend 100 years for here. And 100 years not be forever. So, pass a guy.
This guy is serious. Saying good. Just like that.
God have mercy upon us.
Mona truth have been there now. I could just do shakara, enter that car. I want to enter on that side. Go there. Wait. Now testing my glass first. Don't be bully man. The way they speak, I didn't know you will leave now. I could just enter there. So don't forget.
They never show you say you
Stay on that side.